All right, good morning everybody. So just gotta let you know real quick with this video. So like you guys knew, I was trying to do like the Monday and Wednesday and Friday, and then I had that going and I ran into some spots where I didn't have parts and stuff, so I had to like wait around. So the video that you're about to watch, it's kind of, the timeline's all messed up. So I'm doing the carburetors and stuff, and I got video doing the carburetors, and then we got it running, and I got this video and that video, and then we took it out. So everything got hectic because I was doing a little bit here, a little bit there. You know, I'd think of something, come out here and mess with it for 30 minutes or an hour, and then one day it was super hot and I didn't even think about it, and I was working on the boat all day with no shirt on, no shoes, nothing, and it's all time lapse. So sorry, you gotta look at me with no shirt on for a little bit on this one. But here you guys go. This is gonna be the video of us getting the boat ready to go, and then the next video is gonna be us out on the water. We've already went. We've had a great time. We went twice already. So you guys are gonna see this video getting it ready, and then I'll post the other video of us out on it. I'm thinking I'm gonna post the whole thing because I just put it on the front for the whole ride, and you guys just get to see what happens. So let's show you guys getting it running, and then today's Thursday, Saturday night, or maybe Monday night, I'll post the I live next to an airport. It'll be fun, they said. But I'll probably post the runs out Saturday. So let's get to the video. Come on. Alright, what's up everybody? We are back with another video, and we are going after the carburetors this time. We're going to try and get them cleaned out, see if we can't get it to run, maybe get the muffs on her today, something like that, because I'm ready to get going here, alright? It's raining today, it's nasty, the mosquitoes are going to be out, and I'm using my janky light here to see what I'm doing. So, time to get after it, come on. Alright guys, so it was raining so bad outside. After I got the carburetors off, I just came inside and with the carburetors and start rebuilding them. And a lot of the little ports were clogged up with dirt and mud and bug stuff and all that, obviously. All the gaskets are shot, as I expected. I just ordered all the gasket kits and all that, and one for the one on the motor, and spark plug wires, and absolutely everything. This thing's gonna run like hell when I get done. So, just wanted to show you guys this real quick. So, here we go. We got the carburetors off. So, what I do is I use a little bit of piece of wire like this to push through all the jets and stuff like that and clean out all the areas. And this is actually the hose right here that I've been having troubles with. This one's been getting clogged, which is the idle like vacuum. It's on the motor side of the throttle plate, so that's the vacuum, you know, where it gets the fuel to start. So that was shot. I'm sure the pump shot over there. But other than that, everything on the inside's been rather clean. I mean, they're not that god awful bad, but they are stopped up a little bit. So I'm getting these cleaned up right now, and it's gonna be a week from today until I get all the parts. Well, Monday, it's to Wednesday, so next Monday she said that they'll have all the parts in. So I'm gonna let them soak in some carburetor cleaner until then, and we're kind of at a standstill. I might polish or clean the boat, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so here's what I'm talking about right here. You see that end's plugged up? So what I'm gonna do, oh hang on, I gotta get this camera right. So what I'm gonna do is take this right here. I'm just gonna twist it around in there. There's my pick. Alright, I wanna get it loosened up a little bit. You know, see, there it is. This is hard to do and look at the camera at the same time. Not hold the carb, golly day. Alright, that's a better view anyway. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so you see all that stuff in there? So what we're gonna do is take this wire right here and you just start twisting it around. Alright. Didn't get enough out of it yet. Okay. I'm trying to do this and hold the camera. It does not work. So you guys kind of get the gist of the idea. You know, if you got it in your hands, you know what to do. So you just want to keep poking and poking and poking until you get through there. And then squirt it out. So let me get this done. Alright guys, so you can see here now, I've got it all out of there. You know, this goes in all the way now. So that's all good. So now what I'm gonna do is there's some little holes in here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them, but those right there. So now I'm gonna stick that same wire in those, clean those out, but this one actually, there it is, we just got it. All right. Alright guys, just got the other screws taken out. Let's see if these are clogged up. So there is the first valve and there's no light coming through on the other side. Well, actually there's a little bit. Still gonna clean it up. And then this is the jet that goes up through the bottom. And you can't really see through there. And I can't see light on the other side, so that one's clogged up too. And we got all that junk on the inside I gotta get out of there. So get this all cleaned up and then we'll put them up until we get the rest of the parts. Seen that big old chunk of stuff come out right there? Yeah, boy. Alright guys, we got all the carburetors on here. I'm putting the fuel to her right now, getting them all filled up. We're gonna see if we can get it to start here in just a minute. I'm pretty excited. I think she's gonna fire off real good. But alright, I'm gonna get her all ready and then we'll try and start it. Oh, she's dead. Well, not doing that. Alright.
Damn. It's under the fucking trees.
Thanks for watching the video. Click this button right here to subscribe. Really appreciate it. Right here's the video YouTube recommends and think you'd like. Don't forget, check out the merch, hoodies, hats, and shirts. Link in the description below. Come on.